The third leg of this trip, we chose India because of its vast territory. Therefore, I plan to travel from the eastern coast to the western coast of India for a month. For the first stop in India, we chose Mumbai. Mumbai is a very important city in India, entertainment, fashion, and the commercial center of India. Actually, we don't know the date we visited is the biggest festival in India, the Ganesha festival. Ganesha is deity of Hindu. It is also the most popular deity in India. He usually had 4 hands, an elephant head, and a big belly body in his image. This festival will continue for 10 days. Tonight is first day of the festival and our arrival day. If you come to India Temple, same with the India people welcome the tourists to take them on the picture. You also welcome to take the picture in the temple. But remember, if you really want to take a kid's single picture, you have to ask their parents. After a night of separation, the next day, because we will go to New Delhi 2 days later, we went to foreigner ticket booth at the Central Transport Terminal in Mumbai to buy long-distance train tickets. The train station has an international tourist office, the so-called foreigner train ticket counter. This counter offers train tickets where you can buy train tickets at depot after 12 hours. Stationed in 11 major cities such as Calcutta, Chennai, Bangalore, Ahmedabad, Secunderapura, Jaipur, Jodhpur, Varanasi, New Delhi, Agra Kant, and Mumbai. There are special ticket booths for foreigners. Only foreigners' passport can be used to purchase special train ticket here. Otherwise, it will take a long time to get a ticket from the normal counters. In an unfamiliar situation, there will be many problems, but station personnel will be more patient with foreigners. Buy tickets at this counter because the price is transparent and open, so it will not be deceived. For a while, we went to Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, aka Victoria Terminus. It's a historic terminal train station and UNESCO World Heritage Site in Mumbai. The station building is designed in the high Victoria Gothic style of architecture. You can order the after 12-hour tickets, the Central Railway Reservation Central at this terminus back building. It depends on your destination. You may well be departing from Mumbai Central Station, not the Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. As beside the terminus on the street, it is many street food you can see. India food usually are vegetarian and spicy curry. Because of Hindu religion, you can eat and buy the beef very easily in India. Most of the meat you can eat is chicken and seafood. There also has many Muslims in India, so the pig also hard to buy and eat in this country. Mumbai is our first stop in India, and it is the wealthiest city in India. Actually, they have great building of art. When we circle around the Mumbai terminus station about 2 blocks, you can see many Victoria classic architectures on the street. Just look like the high-end residential area, elegant and full of art. We all know it in India is dirty and messy. If you didn't been there, you can't imagine how dirty it is not. And every car on the street, the driver always uses the horn everywhere. Too much noise drives you crazy. That's so many feel when you're walking on the street of India. Just like advertising will say, India, incredible country. After 3 hours walk, we take the rest to replenish physical strength. Have a cup of India traditional milk tea, masala chai. Between the sunset and the sky into the dark, we go to see the Back Bay. Walking at the Back Bay, you can see the semicircle natural harbor. Every night when the light opens beside the boulevard, it looks like a pearl necklace. So people also say the Queen's necklace. A new day. Tonight we will use night shift long distance trains. Went to the city, New Delhi. From Mumbai to New Delhi, we need to pass by 1,377 kilometers. Need to sleep one night on the train. Use the 19 hours to move. We buy a cheap sleep bed ticket with no air condition. If you are also a backpacker, I think the budget will make you happy. The train's cabin is clean than I think. At the daytime we'll feel it's hot, but at midnight, with the open windows, you may well feel need the thin blanket for sleeping.